In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a LinkedIn top voice. To start, you'll need to log into your LinkedIn account. Head over to LinkedIn.com. If you already have an account, you can sign in using your Google or Microsoft account, or alternatively, enter your email address and password. For those who have enabled two-factor authentication, be prepared to receive a code sent to your phone, which you'll need to verify your account. Make sure you have your phone handy for this extra layer of security. Now that you're logged in, let's dive into what it takes to become a LinkedIn top voice. This coveted title isn't just about being active on the platform. It requires much more, especially focusing on consistently creating high-quality, insightful content that resonates with your audience. Offering valuable information and perspectives is key here. Content that can educate, inspire, or engage. Think about the kind of posts that not only interest you but also add value to your professional network. Engagement plays a pivotal role in this journey. Don't just post and ghost. Be sure to comment on and share other people's content. Participate in thoughtful conversations, adding your unique insights and experiences. Engaging with others not only builds your reputation but also helps forge relationships with your peers and even industry leaders. Building a strong network is another crucial step. Reach out and connect with influential creators and professionals within your field. You never know how a simple connection could unfold into collaboration opportunities or mentorship. It's worthwhile to approach networking with sincerity and mutual interest. Fostering beneficial relationships for both parties. Being active on LinkedIn doesn't just mean posting frequently. It's about offering constructive and valuable insights to discussions, which broadens your reach and reinforces your presence. It's important to engage constructively with the broader professional community by sharing your thoughts and feedback in discussions. Recognizing the contributions of others is also significant. Acknowledging and appreciating valuable contributions by liking and reacting to posts not only supports your network but also strengthens relationships. This reciprocation of acknowledgement can make your own pursuits on LinkedIn more visible and appreciated. In essence, becoming a LinkedIn top voice is about making a meaningful impact with your content, connections, and contributions. Your journey on LinkedIn is unique. So step into it with authenticity and purpose. These strategies, if implemented earnestly, will set you on a path to becoming a thought leader in your professional community. So start sharing your voice, engage meaningfully, and watch as your influence grows on LinkedIn.